Hi, this is Team and HR Analytics. I'm Wei Han Lin from Maths program. I'm going to share with you our capstone project. Will they quit and why? Our project helps companies retain employees in today's competitive job market by predicting the probability of an employee leaving and provide understandable explanation for the prediction. Our approach is easy to use and provide valuable information for frontline managers, HR professionals, and executives to help them make informed decisions and develop strategy to prevent talent attrition. The highlight of our project is that we are not only consider the performance of our model, but also put a lot of emphasis on the interpretability of our output. Both Carol and I are from the HR analytic fields, so we are clear about the key success factor of this kind of project and tool is the interpretability and the winning trust with the stakeholder and the key partners. In this project, we use IBM HR Analytics employee attrition and performance datasets, which contains 35 features and 1,470 rows. On the right side, you can check the detailed feature that's included in this dataset, and here is the first example of this dataset. Okay, here's our overview of our methods for this project. We did the literature review, data cleaning, and the exploratory data analysis. Then we did the supervised learning modeling and tuning. Then evaluated the model based on the performance and the interpretability. And next, we built the minimum viable products for our end user, including the frontline manager, HR professional, and the executive, to help them easily use this kind of model to predict their team members' probability of leaving. And next, we are going to do the interview with them. Here's are the high-level results of this project. We used collinear feature removal for feature extraction and noise reduction. There are total 26 features in the end for modeling. We explore 3 supervised learning models: decision trees, random forest, and support vector machines. The final model is random forest with accuracy score 83.67%. In fact, the accuracy score of the random forest is not the highest, but the interpretability of the model is the best. We use shape value to review each features in the model, and the top features in the random forest models are on the right hand. You can see the first one is the overtime number, the second is stock optional level, job level, age, total working years, years company, and so on. For the other model, we can see the clear shape value for each feature. So we finally choose the random forest model as our final models. Since our end users are not with technical background, so we built this MVP to enable them to use this kind of model to understand the probability of employees leaving. First, we will ask them to input some required features like the age of the employee, the base salary, and the stock option level, and so on. Then we will show the visualization of feature comparison between the input and the group of attrition to help them understand the similarity between them. Third, we will provide the probability of leaving according to the inputs and provide the explanation about this output. Last, we will ask the user to provide their inputs and feedback about the prediction, and this will help us on the model iteration. Okay, here's the demo. Tell me, will they quit and why? After the user input the required feature, the model will share the probability of employees quitting. Take this as example, the probability of quitting is 60%. And on the right and bottom side you can see the visualization explaining this output. The red ones are the features that increase the probability of quitting, and the blue ones are the features that decrease the probability of quitting. You can see in this case, the year as company is the most important feature that affect the probability of quitting. And also you can check other details, features, and the layer effects on this output. After user reviewing the output and the explanation, we will ask user to give a simple feedback on the prediction. This will help us to reiterate the model. Thank you for reviewing our project and looking forward to seeing you on April 17th.